Hey guys. Okay, so this is week 5 for distance learning, and we're going to be going over structures and functions. So this week you'll be able to identify, explain, and illustrate structures and functions that living things have in order to survive in their environment. Okay, so have you ever wondered how animals survive in the wild? Animals have developed adaptations that help them survive in their environment. An adaptation is a characteristic that helps an animal survive. These adaptations are specific to the environment the animal is in. For example, an adaptation that helps an animal survive in the desert might make it impossible for the animal to survive in the cold environment. Animals have structures that have specific functions that allow them to survive in their natural environment. Some examples of these are the polar bear's fur. And the function of that is it keeps him warm in the cold environment. Another one is a camel stores water, so it's humps, and the function is it stores water. For a duck, the webbed feet, and the function is it helps them swim in the water. Okay, so again, structures and functions. Structure is the way an organism is built or how it looks, and the function is the purpose of the structure and how it helps survive in its environment. So here's just some more examples that you can read over. And then types of structures and functions. So there's two types, or main types, physical and behavioral. So physical are things you can see, like teeth, claws, feathers, hooves, and fur. Behavioral is instinctive and learned. So gathering and sorting food, finding shelter, hibernation, migration, defending yourself, raising young, those are instinctive, those are behavioral. You can't see those, but the living thing does that. Learned, hunting for food, warning calls, eating the right food, those are all behavioral functions. Okay, now this is my slides. Your slides that you will see, it's going to have this one, it's going to start at that. This will be in the link underneath this video in the directions. You are going to read through all these slides on here. The desert, Arctic, city, ocean, all these environments. Read these slides. Then, when you are done, you're going to go to your assignment. If you couldn't find the slides before, the slides are on this first page. You're just going to click it. It's a view only. Don't ask for access to the slides. I'm not going to give it. Just read through it. Okay, then you go to the practice. There's that help for you again. So you're going to drag each of those over to the correct part. Same thing with this one, structure and function. Okay, drag for the husky. And then this is the part that is graded, so please take a little bit more time on there. Read the directions. If you need help, email me, or remember I'm on Zoom on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday from 1 to 2. If you need anything, let me know. Bye guys.